Hello all, my name is Karthik. I came from Visakhapatnam, where I joined in a Qspiders in the month of May. As an incubation student, I got placed I got a chance to be a part of a Qspiders. Where I when the month of May I got joined in this Qspiders and I completed my SQL and manual testing classes. And apart from that, as a sequel with my training program, I also have got a chance to work as an intern in the RoboViz company I got all the theoretical knowledge into getting into practical knowledge. It helps me a lot, and the practical knowledge which also helped me to crack the interviews and all. And apart from that, I came from the Visakhapatnam and I completed my SQL grooming sessions and all that. Apart from that, I am from the Bachelor's of Technology background in the stream of CSE AML with an aggregate of 7.9 CGPA. I completed my all the courses and all the Qspiders helped me to crack the and guidance and the motivation motivated them with a lot of efforts, and I got placed as an QA engineer. Thank you.